You have explained all the stages and associated with the obesity. So the now we will come to the naturopathy management. As all aspects of womanhood, you have explained how the imbalance of calorie intake and calorie expenditure, as in form of workout or jogging or walk or yoga. If we are missing these two things, so these are the key strategies to maintain your ideal weight throughout this journey of hormones. Hormones will be there. It's a natural process of estrogen, progesterone, and every day, every single moment in women's body, hormones keep changing. The graph goes up, down, goes up, down. So we need the help of yoga and meditation also for our physical as well as for the mental health, so that all the phases we cross smoothly. And calorie expenditure, as you are saying, for the diet, so what should be like a ideal form? Like, can you give a sample meal plan, like from morning till night, what a lady should start following now from the kitchen? Because at gyms are closed, no parks, nothing. So only they have to do in home body weight exercises, some fast pace Surya Namaskaras, or some jogging, spot jogging they can do at home. Along with this physical activity, what all things they can change in their diet from the kitchen, like morning till evening? I would like to ask you the suggestion for our viewers so they can plan their meal, healthy plate, and start seeing the results. Now we can start like.
Yeah, there are majorly, like as Dr. Bharti has mentioned, there are two things which will change our health, especially if you are obese or if you are overweight. So there are two things which will actually change you for better. That is, one is physical activity and another is food intake. Okay. So physical activity, you can go for cycling, you can go for jogging, you can go for a gym. There are many things which you can do. But what happens when you are doing gym or you are doing a heavy workout, you are going for aerobics, you are going for cycling, jogging. So these things will definitely reduce your weight in a short term, but you may not be able to do them for a longer time. So in such situations, what happens, you once you stop those activities, there are chances that you may add up more and more weight again. You may regain your weight back. So and if you have you are more obese, you have osteoarthritis, you have knee pain, you have back pain, you cannot jog, you cannot run, you cannot cycle, you cannot go for workout. So that is why in all the conditions, whatever you have, the best way to reduce your weight is through yoga. See,
Yes.
yoga, if you are very healthy, you doesn't have any knee pain, back pain, and other things. The dynamic form of yoga is wonderful, where you can add up some Sukshma Vyayamas and Surya Namaskaras in a row. You can just work out wonderfully. It will improve your strength and stamina, and at the same time reduce your extra weight. That is one more thing. And if you have problems like knee pain, back pain, and all, you can definitely go for asanas and pranayamas, which will help you reduce the same amount of weight. So you can go for certain asanas. These ups and downs of hormones will be regularized and managed only through yoga, not with any other form of physical exercise, because yoga acts on the glandular level and organ level. And when we are talking about the diet is very important. You will definitely you will be able to lose good amount of weight. Okay, so you can do either in the morning or in the evening. You may say that morning you are busy in the kitchen, but take out some time in the evening. So there is no hard and fast rule that you should do only in the morning. If it
Yeah.
is not possible, you can definitely go for evening.